Welcome back to our shop. Today we're going to talk about a tool called a Veneer Hammer. Mark and I decided we wanted to do some veneering, and we wanted to do it without using the vacuum bags and having to get all that paraphernalia together. And we wanted to stay more traditional. We're going to use some hide glue and see what we could do with it. To veneer that way requires a veneer hammer, and in spite of its name, you don't hammer with it to put the veneer down. You use it and like a squeegee to squeeze the glue out from the veneer. But we didn't have one, so I went online and started looking at different veneer hammers, and found me a piece of brass. And I had some cherry, and I used for the handle, and some ash, or for the head rather, and some ash that I used for the handle. And I said I can make one. Really simple to do. I cut the block out, shaped it, put a hole in it for the handle. That's just a round hole. I'm not worried about it twisting because I'm not going to be hitting it and jarring it. Again, like I said, the handle really is just to control it while you push down with your other hand to squeegee it. Cut a slot in the end. The hardest part was cutting the piece of brass because this was actually 1 inch wide, and I had to cut it in half to get 2 of them. So we each got a hammer. And then I had to round those edges, which I did just with a file. Epoxied it in, put a polyurethane finish on it because it's going to be used in a wet environment. Hide glue is animal protein and water. And we needed to have a finish that would not be affected by that. So, coming up, you're going to get to see us use this and put some veneer down on Mark's toolbox that he's building. So, should be a fun time. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.